రమ్మన్నారు కదా ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ క్లాస్
కదా
నేను.
మరి వద్దంటారా?
మేము కొత్తగా జాయిన్ అయ్యామండి రాజీవ్ గాంధీ నుంచి. మాకు ఇవేమీ అవ్వలేదు అందుకని చెప్పేసి.
అదే అంటున్నారు. అందుకని సార్ అని అంటే నేను బ్రీఫ్ గా చెప్తున్నాను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నానండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే. మీ స్లైడ్స్ కావాలంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. నాకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు, అందుకని నేను మొబైల్లో లాగిన్ అయ్యానండి. ఓకేనా? సో డేటాబేస్, it is a collection of interrelated files or interrelated data. Next, coming to the database management, I said someone has to manage the database, right? So who has to manage the database? In our college, some management will be there. So to maintain the staff and student information and all the related things to the college, they are going to maintain. Similarly, the database has to maintain by someone. So that who is that someone means database administrator will be maintaining all these type of databases. Okay, so database creation or maintenance of collection of organized data, in the sense it is a collection of, already we know that database, it is a collection of some interrelated data that we should keep. Who should keep this one? Someone, right? That is database administrator going to maintain the data, whatever we collected data, that should be put in a organized way. Next, database management system. Coming to the database management system, it is a software. We call it as it is a software package, collectively software package, which is used to define, manipulate, retrieve, manage data in a database. So let me explain one by one word here. System is nothing but, we have seen that data, it is a raw fact data that can be stored or recorded. So in the form of some text, numbers, videos, images, right? So here, coming to the database, it is a collection of interrelated data, and management, it is nothing but it is a creation or maintenance of organized data. Now, system is nothing but some protocols or some principles has to follow. If you are having some college, you are a student and your faculty is there and your infrastructure is there, your canteen is there, something. So all the things who has to maintain in your management will be maintained with the help of some principles, some protocols. That is what system is nothing but a rule has to be maintained by each and everyone. So similarly here also, in terms of DBMS, the system is nothing but it is a software package. DBMS is nothing but it is a software package which is used to define in the sense creation of a database. So after creating, we need to do some modification. That is what manipulation. Second word here is manipulating, right? Modification, doing changes in the database. See, remember one. Every time the database will not be same, right? Every time the database will be changed. Why? Because suppose example, take university example. Some today university is maintaining some 1,000 records. Okay, for first year, think it of like this. BTech first year is having some 1,000 records. Tomorrow or next year, the 1,000 records will not be maintained. Why? Because some more students will be added, right? So 1,000 will become 2,000 students. So that is what we need to manipulate. We need to change. We need to update the data. So what is the first meaning of here? Designed to define. Define is nothing but creation of a data. Nothing but we have to create a data. After creating the data, we need to do what we need to do. We need to manipulate, right? Second one. Next, what is the third one? Retrieve. Retrieve in the sense fetching the data, getting the details after creation, after updation. If I want to view again, if I want to view once again the data, that is what the term retrieve. Okay, and after doing all those things, we need to manage, right? Someone has to manage the data in a database. That collectively we call it as a database management system. What is database management system? Database management system, collectively it is a software package which is used to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage. You need to remember four things. Okay. So this is the technical definition you have to write in your exam. It is a software package which is which is designed to define in the sense creation. Next, after creation, we have to do any modifications. Means we will be using the word manipulate, and after doing the manipulation updations, if I want to retrieve, if I want to fetch the details once again, I want to use the word retrieve, and someone has to manage this data in a database. That is why database is nothing but it is a software package which is used to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage a data in a database. Okay. So in database management system, I have split this database management system into four definitions. Okay. Data, database management, database management system. Data is nothing but it is a raw fact data that can be recorded or stored in the form of text, numbers, images, videos, audio files. Okay. Coming to the database, it is a collection of interrelated data or interrelated files. Coming to next third definition, database management. So after getting the database, after having the all interrelated files, someone has to manage, right? So that is what the creation or maintenance of a collection of organized data. Okay. Next, database management system is nothing but it is a package which is designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. Clear? Is it clear? Having any doubts?
Clear, madam.
No, ma'am.
Clear or no? Na?
No doubts, I mean.
Yes or no?
Yeah, everything is perfect. Thanks.
Yes, madam. Clear, ma'am.
Yes. Next, database applications. Coming to the database application, nothing but where we are using in real time. So, database management system provides an environment for both convenient and it is very efficient to use. Nowadays, we know that in banking for all types of transactions like credit card, as I said in earlier example, debit card information, credit card information, loans related files for banking database, it is used. Next, for schedule, departure, arrival, and passenger information database is used. And for universities, not only for registrations, for results and grades, and also student registrations. Like, see, for each and every student, you will be having the unique roll numbers, right? So that is what a database application database will be applied there.